Good morning.
Have you ever seen the meme with the chihuahua in between the couch?
No. Oh wait, yes.
It's like, help me.
Yes. Good morning, guys.
Go back to bed.
We are struggling.
Help me.
We went to sleep around 2:30. Vinny went to sleep like 20 minutes ago, and now we're up and at the bus station. Gotta get on a bus for another excursion. Oh, actually, hopefully this is just like a tour and not like intense activity. I vlogged as much as I could yesterday, but it was torturous. Hey guys, we are at a almost rest area, just to kind of go to the bathroom. This is all about their volcanoes. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, we're at the lava fields. It used to be all lava.
This used to be lava?
Yeah, now it's dried up lava with moss on it. Didn't you hear? Oh, look at that girl skating.
Approximately 1.5 hour drive from here. That's our lunch location. But first, we're gonna do this short toilet stuff for those who need to use toilets and restrooms.
Definitely put music over this. We made it. We made it.
Can you imagine falling in this water?
I cannot. Did you say amazing? Oh my gosh. I was like, amazing. Alright, you guys. Beautiful. Not gonna lie, beautiful. Was it worth the drive? We'll do a review later. TripAdvisor review later. Alright. Find a flat rock. Has to be flat. Oh, that's good.
Whether it's a horse or a seal.
Over there. See the black one?
I think they're
they're
all. Can we get down
They're
there?
all seals.
Can we get over there?
Kind of blurry when you zoom.
Wait, come back, little guy.
Alright. We have about another hour to wander around. It's gorgeous. Try not to slip. This is amazing.
Yes, this is where Justin Bieber filmed Purpose.
This is where Justin Bieber filmed Purpose?
I think so.
You would know, but if any of us knew.
Let's watch it in the car. We gotta watch
Compare
it.
notes.
Let's compare. He definitely filmed it in Iceland. Like just there.
Whoa, this is awesome.
Wait, Julie, can I use your camera real quick for a shot?
Yeah. Where's Aunt? Where's
We can just pretend that we are part of them.
Wow, it goes down really far. Springer August. Okay.
Oh.
Right, we're here to see Golden Waterfall. Is it down there? Oh, it's right there.
Doorman is like.
Gotta get some souvenirs. Alright.
Dad? Did you like swallow the shark, or are you just like
Just swallowed it. Yeah. Alright. I'm heading home. Heading home. Alright, you guys, we're in duty free. We're at the airport. We haven't vlogged at all because we've been so tired. But we're just gonna pick up a few things here, some souvenirs, and then be on our way to our gate. Sorry, I wasn't excited the last few days. Of course, I had to look at the makeup section. $10 for an eyeliner. I think these are like basic prices. There's Rimmel, Armand, Smashbox, Elizabeth Arden, Cologne. Oh look, they're different. Glam Beige. True Match looks so different. Whoa. Glam Nude. This airport is so nice. Amazing art. Just beautiful. Even the seating. Alright guys. Man, can you grab mine if they call me? Thank you. Look how cute this little area is. I'm gonna go fill up my water bottle. The people over in this food court over here, so rude. So rude. Anyway, we asked them a question and they laughed at us and they started talking about it, so I thought that was very rude. Okay, let's go back to these water fountains. Hey guys, haven't vlogged at all the travel home. Vinny and I are on the train. We just made it to Trenton. I have to go to Philly. We've just been pooped for the past few days, so I haven't been vlogging. We've been just doing a lot of tours and I'm tired. Can't wait to get home. Back to Philly. In my bed.